Watch this. Now watch this. How freaking cool is that? You've got all your stats here on the screens around the wheel and your lap time. This is the brand new Nissan Hyperforce. Check this out. Woo! So this will actually come in and out when you're cornering. Down here, look how freaking cool this is. All right, open the door with this little triangle. Ready? Oh, look at this. Watch this. All blue. How freaking cool. Now down here, look, there's Sergi. It's a tunnel under your seats. These lights, check these out. You don't actually see the light. This is a deep tunnel with the light bar back here.